So this is a cabin tour of room 1077. It's a suite. This is a toilet. This is a sink, a mirror. This is a shower, and that's a bath. This is a walk-in wardrobe with dressing gown, drawers. This is a desk that you can put your makeup on with a mirror. That's a kettle, makes tea and coffee. This is a bed. You sleep on this and do other things. Let me know in the comments what else you do in a bed. Telephone, lamp. Bedside cabinet, lamp. Suitcase. Fruit, sometimes you eat that. TV. Cupboards. Fridge. Balcony. Sea. Chair. Table. Chair. That completes cabin tour suite 1077 on Ambassador Ambition.